I'm still in downtown San Antonio, and yeah, we're gonna do the 2 p.m. church bells. 2 o'clock. It is 1:57, so you're gonna have to wait for like 2 minutes. So yeah, last night I didn't tell you in the last video at 8 on my 8 a.m. church bells that I actually last night I got it off, I heard it off Ken. I didn't got it on Kenora, but I heard San Fernando's one at 9 p.m. last night. Pretty awesome, but I got it off Kenora. Got a helicopter coming. So yeah, pretty cool. San Antonio is a very nice city. I actually visit the Alamo Mall, and we ate at this restaurant called Hard Rock. Good burgers and fries there. Okay, it's 1:59, so yeah. Should win soon. Hopefully. Hopefully you can hear it. They're doing work around there. Oh. There it goes. So yeah, did 2 gongs. Pretty neat. Pretty beautiful. So yeah, how about we just wait for the other church to go off? The one that does the Westminster chimes. The Catholic Church. The St. Mary's Catholic Church, I think that's what it is. So yeah, you just heard San Fernando's 1, 2. So yes, 2 p.m. now here in San Antonio, Texas. So yeah, maybe in the next video at 3 o'clock, I might try to film the bells at 3. I know, I'm not gonna like film every hour. Well, I might film every hour, but not every one a day. All in one day. But during this trip, I'm gonna try to film like every hour. So, yeah. You just heard it when 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah. Earlier it was kind of wild there, because they're like doing like, they're like building a new hotel, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a hotel. So yeah. So yeah, perfect view of the balcony. Maybe one of the next few videos, maybe one of the next videos I'm gonna be doing the bells of San Fernando's, of course. And if I get lucky, I will do the other church up close. If I have enough time. So yeah. The other church would like usually delays. So yeah, it's 2:02. Maybe it should go off soon. Hopefully it does. There we go. Or oh, actually, there we go. Kind of sounds like the Peace Tower in Canada. Pretty, isn't it? So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you joined the 2 o'clock church bells here in downtown San Antonio. Stay tuned for the next video, which I'm probably might go up on the go to the pool area of the film, the 3 o'clock bells. And maybe, and even the 3:30 bells. So, yeah. So, yeah. I'll see you then.